Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how to wire up a servo. Servos are really useful in the real world. They're used for many things, and for this tutorial we'll need an Arduino board as usual. We don't need a breadboard, but if you want you can use one. A regular servo. This is just a blue small servo of 9 grams and 3 wires. First thing to do is to connect the wires into the servo. We'll just follow the color pattern of the servo. Usually the yellow wire, in this case the more orange looking wire, usually connects to the digital pin. So that's what will control the servo. Then in the middle wire, which is the redder looking one, it's usually your positive end of the power. And then the darker, in this case brown color, will be the ground. So we'll go ahead and wire those in. So I have configured the code to transmit the data on digital pin 9. So we'll find pin 9 here, and that's where the yellow wire goes. And then on the power region, connect your gray wire into any of the 2 ground pins, and then the orange into the 5-volt pin. And then bring your USB cable, plug it in, and then I'll show you the code shortly. And there it is. The servo now, it's just rotating between 0 and 180 degrees. Again, this is a simple one, and that is it for today. Thanks for watching.